we are going to discuss about a few more questions related to human eye and colorful world. So grade 10 physics. So we'll see now what are the points are there. So write down the main parts of the human eye. So what are the main parts of the human eye? Cornea, iris, pupil, and ciliary muscles, reticular, accusimmer, retina, optic nerve. So these are the points we are discussing now. So what is the shape of the eyeball? Spherical. It's not exactly uh, circle. It is spherical shape, like egg shape. And what is a blind spot? Blind spot means where all the nerves are reaching to the brain. So there won't be any light rays will meet. So dark place will be there. That is a blind spot. And what is yellow spot? Where more rods and cones are present at the retina. That is called yellow spot. And state the structure of iris and its function of. It's a dark muscular diaphragm. It is a dark muscular diaphragm. It controls the size of the pupil. And define the persistence of the vision. Actually, so how much time the image will stay on the retina, that is called persistence of the vision. 1 by 16th second, 1 by 16th second, the image will stay on the retina. And name the scientist. Okay. So Newton, name the scientist who discovered the sunlight consists of 7 colors. Newton disc also there in lower classes. We in lower classes we did experiment also. So marking the 7 colors on the disc, and if you rotate automatically all the colors will be mixed. We will get it white color. Okay. And what do you mean by angular prism and give its notation? Okay, so by diagram we can able to identify. And next one, describe what is the astigmatism, how it is caused, how it is corrected. So astigmatism means as I said, the person can't able to see the vertical lines and horizontal lines. Okay, by using suitable cylindrical lens we can correct this defect. And one more thing, so what do you mean by monochromatic light and polychromatic light? Monochromatic light means single color light, right? And polychromatic light means many colors together. That is polychromatic. So we can say next one. We'll go to a few more questions. A myopic person refers spectacles. Okay, that is not. Few more questions. So why is convex lens used to correct the hypermetropia, long-sightedness? Because so in hypermetropia we want to see the uh, near distance object, right? So hypermetropia means we can see far distance object, but we can't see near distance object. So convex is a converging lens. When light rays falls on it, automatically it will converge and meet at one point at the retina. So that's why convex lens we are using. So it is a converging. So whenever light falls on it, it converges the light rays and meet at retina. That is the reason we are using convex lens. Even for a concave lens for myopia also, see here we can see near distance, but we can't see the far distance object. So in our eye itself, convex lens is there. If you place the concave lens, it diverges the light rays and falls at, so we can get the focal length, the long focal length. Then the image will image will fall at retina. Then automatically we can able to see. So that's enough. So that is about and yes. So that is about completely brief discussion about human and colorful world. I will discuss. So kindly share this link to your friends and everyone. So they will also join. They will also understand. They will also know this concept. And those who want to any guidance related to physics, like grade 10 physics, at the same time coming to the JEE, NEET, CBSE, grade 11 and 12. So 6 to 12 also. If you want any guidance, any help related to physics, let me know. So I'll be here. I will be available. So I'll clarify any doubts, whatever you have. Okay. So this is our Siva sir. And coming to the once again brief note about human and colorful world, I will give the brief note. Once again, we will discuss the complete idea of human and colorful world. So here in human eye, first of all we'll discuss about main parts of the human eye parts. So cornea, iris, pupil, aqueous humor, vitreous humor, retina, blind spot, optic nerve, and so we will discuss cornea. So cornea is the protective layer of the eye, front layer of the eye. So it most of the refraction takes place at cornea. And second, we will go through the ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles will adjust the curvature of eye lens. Okay, so for seeing near distance object as well as far distance object. And coming to the iris is the dark muscular diaphragm which controls the size of the pupil. People will control the amount of light entering into the eye. And coming to the eye lens is a crystalline lens. When light rays falls on it automatically, so it will converge the light rays and meet at retina. And coming to the aqueous humor is jelly type liquid material present between cornea and eye lens. And vitreous humor is a jelly type liquid present between eye lens and retina, because so it provides blood and nutrition to the eye. At the same time it gives sufficient force and pressure to maintain that shape. So that is about, what is that, vitreous humor. Next, retina. So retina means, so at the retina, so the light rays will meet at, okay, so whatever the light rays are entering into the eye, so after converging, the light rays will meet at retina. There what type of image will form? Virtual a real inverted image will form, that to 2D image. So after converting electrical signal, that will pass to the optic nerve. Through optic nerve, the signal will reach to the brain will give the additional information. So actually we are seeing the 2D object, brain will give additional information. So for 3D information, how much depth it is, how much width it is, how much distance it is, everything will give 3D information. And the next one, myopia. So myopia is nothing but the person can able to see near distance, he can't see the far distance object. Concave lens is used for correction of myopia. And causes of myopia is nothing but focal length is decreases, eyeball is increases. Whereas hypermetropia means the person can able to see near distance, he can't able to see far distance object. Which lens we are using? Convex lens. Okay, what are the causes? Eyeball is thin, eyeball is small, focal length is more. Hello Shiva sir. Hi, hello. So that is about. So please share this link to everyone, and if you want guidance related to physics, let me know. I am available here. Okay, and please do subscribe my channel, Student the Brand. Okay, come to the point. Next one, where we are, hypermetropia correction. So far distance we can see, near distance we can see. So for using the, for correction of this one, we are using what lens? Convex lens. Yes. And next one, astigmatism. We can't see the horizontal lens and vertical lens. To correct the defect, we are using what lens? We are using suitable cylindrical lens. And cataract means, see, the cataract is milky and cloudy will form an eye lens. By cataract surgery only we can remove that one. And next one, those are the defects as of now in our textbook what we are discussing. And next one, coming to the that's in a power of accommodation, ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length, allowing the light to pass inside of it. Okay, so it provides so space, so by adjusting the focal length, so that is called power of accommodation. When you are seeing far distance object, the eye lens will be thin, focal length is increases. When you are seeing near distance object, eye lens will be thick, focal length is less. Okay, done. Next one, we'll go to the refraction through prism. So if the light ray passes through the prism, split into 7 colors, so those colors will fall on the screen. The splitting of white light into 7 colors is known as spectrum. Oh, dispersion, sorry, the splitting of white light into 7 colors is known as dispersion, and those 7 colors will fall on the screen, that is spectrum. Okay, done. Next one, a recombination of spectrum of white light. Recombination of spectrum of white light means when the light ray one light ray will be one prism will be placed normally, so light ray will pass, it's split into 7 colors. So another prism will be placed in inverted position. These 7 colors again will fall on the second prism, though that second prism will convert the light rays and meet at retina. Okay, so that is about recombination of spectrum of white light. So that is about recombination of spectrum of white light. And coming to the next one, rainbow formation, you can see rainbow formation. Okay, rainbow formation you can see. The light ray passes through the water droplets, so it's split into 7 colors. Those 7 colors again reflect, and we can see beautiful rainbow in the sky after rain shower. Okay, done. So next one, scattering, atmospheric refraction we'll discuss. Atmospheric refraction means, so normally the refraction means the bending of the light at different subject to media. So the path of the light changes, or here the direction of light will be changing. So when it is moving from one medium to another medium, that is called refraction. If refraction takes place by the atmosphere, that is called atmospheric refraction. Refraction takes place by the atmosphere, that is called what? Atmospheric refraction. So where we can see the atmospheric refraction, twinkling of stars, and sunrise and sunset. So those examples we can see. And one more example we can able to see, one more important topic is scattering of light. So if the particles are present in the atmosphere, light will fall on it. What happens? The particle will absorb the light. The particle will absorb the light and scatters. The particle will absorb the light and scatters in all directions with a different intensity. So the re-emission of light in different direction with a different intensity is called scattering of light. So scattering of light. Where we can observe scattering of light, sky appears blue color, and deep sky appears blue color. At the same time, we can see during sunrise and sunset also it appears reddish color. So clouds appears white color. This all phenomena occurs due to, see, related to colors means definitely it is related to scattering of light. So related to positions means refraction, atmospheric refraction. So that is about scattering of light and atmospheric refraction. And one more thing, one more point is there, Tyndall effect. So when the light ray passes through the colloidal solution, a path of the light becomes visible. That is called because of the colloidal solution, scattering of light takes place. Scattering of light takes place. Okay, so that is about Tyndall effect. The path of the light becomes visible when it passes through the colloidal solution. Because of colloidal solution, so scattering of light takes place. So this is about complete explanation about human eye. So those who want guidance, help in the explanation of some topics, let me know. So just please do subscribe my channel to get more advantage. So this is our sir. Until then, so we'll see in the next class, next video. So signing off. Bye bye. Thank you.